Ever wondered how the things you use every day, like your clothes, your gadgets, or even the sugar in your tea are made? Have you thought about what makes a country economically strong and prosperous? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the world of manufacturing industries, the backbone of our economy. Welcome back, students. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating world of manufacturing industries. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what manufacturing industries are, but also why they are so crucial for our country's growth. So grab your notes, and let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What is manufacturing? Simply put, manufacturing is the process of producing goods in large quantities by transforming raw materials into finished products. Think about how a cotton plant in the field becomes the shirt you wear. That's manufacturing at work. Why is manufacturing so important? Imagine an economy that only relies on agriculture. There's a limit to how much you can grow and sell. But when you turn raw materials into finished goods, you create more value. This means more jobs, more money, and a stronger economy. Industries are categorized based on various factors. Here's a breakdown. Agro-based industries. These industries use agricultural products as their raw material. For example, the cotton textile industry turns raw cotton into fabric, while the sugar industry converts sugarcane into the sugar you use daily. Mineral-based industries. These rely on minerals like iron, coal, and bauxite. The iron and steel industry is a great example, where iron ore is converted into steel, which is then used to build everything from cars to skyscrapers. Forest-based industries. These industries use forest products. Think about the paper you write on. It starts as wood pulp from trees. Animal-based industries. Here, the raw materials come from animals. The leather industry, for example, turns hides into leather products like shoes and bags. Based on their role in the economy, we also have basic or key industries. These are the foundation of other industries. For example, the iron and steel industry supplies steel to many other industries. Consumer goods industries. These produce goods for everyday use, like food processing industries that turn raw ingredients into packaged foods. Another way to categorize industries is by their capital investment, small-scale industries. These require less investment and are often run by small businesses. Handicrafts and local workshops fall into this category. Large-scale industries. These involve huge investments, like automobile manufacturing. Ownership also plays a role. Public sector, owned by the government, like BHL. Private sector, owned by individuals or companies, like Tata Motors. Joint sector, a partnership between the government and private entities like Oil India. Limited cooperative sector, owned by a group of people like Amul. Finally, industries are categorized by the weight and bulk of their raw materials and products. Heavy industries. Think of industries that produce bulky goods like steel. Light industries. These produce lighter goods like electronics. And that's a wrap for part 1. We've laid the foundation by understanding what manufacturing is and explored the different types of manufacturing industries. From agro-based to mineral-based, and everything in between, it's clear that manufacturing plays a crucial role in our economy. In the next part, we'll dive into the strategic factors behind industrial locations, explore major industrial regions in India, and examine the environmental impact of industrial activities. Stay tuned to see how all these pieces come together to shape our world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss part 2. Hit the bell icon for updates, and I'll see you in the next video.